Welcome to Claimbase. Let's walk through how to connect your Instagram page and set up your products for seamless claiming. You'll begin on the Claimbase dashboard page. First, open a new tab and go to business.facebook.com. Log into your business's Facebook account and double-check that your Instagram page is properly connected to this Facebook page. This step is essential. Only connected pages can be authorized. Once that's done, head back to Claimbase and open the settings page. Click the Continue with Facebook button, log in with your Facebook credentials, and grant all requested permissions. Make sure you select the same Facebook and Instagram pages you connected earlier. The pop-up will close automatically once the connection is complete. Now, a drop-down menu appears beneath the Facebook button. In that drop-down, select the Facebook page that is connected to your Instagram account. And that's it. Your IG page is now successfully linked to your Shopify store through Claimbase. Next, let's take a look at your products. Head to the Products page in Claimbase and check each product's invoice trigger. The invoice trigger is the phrase your customers comment on your IG posts to claim a product. By default, this is made up of the word claim, followed by the product's unique claim ID, which is automatically assigned by Claimbase. Of course, you can customize the claim ID schema anytime. Just go back to the settings page in Claimbase to do so. Before you start selling, there's one last step. You need to enable message access so Claimbase can send checkout links via your Instagram account. To do that, go to your Instagram app, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, navigate to Messages and Story Replies, then tap Message Requests. Make sure the toggle Allow Access to Messages is switched on. That's it. You've completed the setup and are ready to accept your first claims with Claimbase. Let's try it out. Using a different Instagram account, go to the IG page you just connected. Under any feed post, comment an invoice trigger, for example, Claim 1. You'll instantly receive a DM with a checkout link for that product. On the seller side, open Claimbase and go to the Claims page. There, you'll see the incoming claim in real time. Thanks for using Claimbase. If you have any questions, check out our full merchant onboarding guide at claimbase.app/resources. DM us on Instagram at claimbase.app or email us at contact@claimbase.app. Happy selling!